Okay, integration time. So the one with the out the root, uh, 4 minus x squared. That's like this one here, 1 minus u squared. So we're going to have to use a substitution, basically. Yeah, and then they want you to generalize it. It's kind of weird. So I think I'll be a little sneaky, and do 4, 1, 3 first. So if you say let u equal x over a, then this integration will become dx is a du, and then that becomes, remember x is a, so that becomes a squared, x I mean is au, so that becomes a squared minus a squared u squared. So you can divide by top and bottom by a and take a out, so that's 1 over a du over 1 minus u squared, and then that will be 1 over a, and then there you go, it's tan or cos. Tan inverse or cos inverse of u, which we said is x over a, and that depends on whether x over a is less than or more than 1. So this would be the same. A is 2, so it'd be a half either tan or cos x over 2, dependent on whether or not x is this or this. Now let's just check the answer at the back. Which one is this now? 413. Yeah, that's funny. They just went with the tan answer, which I think is a bit weird if they went to the trouble of saying this. Did I write kosh? It's kotan. I misread it. Yeah, so I just went with the first one. Interestingly, 1 over a, x over a. So that's fine. That's fine. This one here, I think we have a formula for directly, don't we? Root, that's just sine. Oh, don't forget the plus c. Sine inverse, I mean. Let's check root 1 plus u squared, or root 1 plus x squared. Yeah. And now, do we have one for when the x is on top? I wonder if that's a mistake. I wonder. Is it gonna be like, huh, huh, hmm. That, is there one for that? Or maybe it's one of these. Ah, yeah, okay. Not quite one of these because there's an X on the top. None of these has an X on the top. I think previously. Okay, I'll need a substitution of some kind. What is it closest to? No one has an X on the top. I can see the next one, 416, 1 over X root 1 minus X. That's and it has the minus in it, so that's the second one. But this one here is quite similar to this one. So we should figure out this one here. Maybe I need a substitution. U equals X squared plus 1. So then this becomes X. And then you have here du dx equals 2x. So if I put a half here and 2 here, I get du dx equals 2x. So that top becomes du now. Du over root u, which I don't quite think is what they meant, I feel. Increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. So did they really mean this? 2 root x squared plus 1 plus c. Let's see if that's what they really meant. Oh, it is. Oh, that surprised me. Root x squared plus 1 plus c. But not 2. Oh, I forgot. I have a half in front, which is going to cancel that. So looks like the same substitution here would do the job. U equals e2x minus 1. So that means du dx would equal 2e. Oh no, the same substitution won't do here. Not quite. Nearly, but not quite. So this one, I reckon now, must be one. Where's the one with the root? Root x squared minus 1. Let's try cosh inverse ex. So ex comes out, which gives us that, and then the cosh is 1 over root x squared plus 1. Yeah, that's it. And this one here, I think that's a square one as well. If I put the minus in, so 1 minus x to the 4. So that, like, maybe that's a tan one. Tan inverse x squared. So that would be 1 over 1 minus x4. And then the derivative on the outside, 2x. Yeah, that looks okay. So let's check the answers that we can. Okay, I can check 413. That's right. I can check 415. That's right. I can check 417. That's right. That's all I can check. And I just make sure I wrote 416 down correctly. Yes, I did.